What's going on, guys? It's William. So I want to go over a video that I just made on how I invested in a rental property with zero money down, zero money out of my pocket, how I cash flow on that, and I want to break down those numbers in this video a little bit more than I did so in my last video. My last video was more of how I acquired the property. This video, I actually want to break down the numbers on what they call an infinite return. And if we're just meeting, my name is William Dauria, and I own a portfolio of single-family homes, multifamily, and commercial units, so let's get to it. Okay, so we're not gonna go over the story of how I acquired this property because I went over that in the last video, but we're gonna dig into the numbers to show you how all this worked. So the purchase price was $131,000, and that was paid in full by the investor. And the total all-in price is approximately $140,000 today. And as of this video today, it currently rents for $1,550 a month with a market trend to go up. So using the real estate acronym PITI, that stands for principal, interest, taxes, insurance. So this one's a little bit different because I didn't take money from a bank and I took it from an individual investor. There's not necessarily a principal payment because the principal payment isn't really being paid to them, but there is an interest payment, and that interest payment is the equivalent of $436.66 per month, paid annually. However, taxes are currently $341.66 per month. Property insurance runs approximately $85 a month. Property management fee is $155 per month. That equates to 10%, which is typical in the market, which brings me to a grand total of expenses of $1,018.32 per month, which nets me $531.68 per month with zero of my own money invested. Now, to be fair, we're gonna throw in a little bit of vacancy because this property is in a decent area, but we're gonna say there is a 5% vacancy, and this property is actually very well maintained. So we're gonna go with $100 a month is gonna be our repair budget for this house, which is obviously gonna come directly off that $531.68. So that brings me to a net cash flow of approximately $350 a month. And you might be saying, $0 investment, $350 a month, that's awesome. That is pure mailbox money. That is cash flow, baby. But that's not the best part. The best part about this is I get to keep all of the future appreciation. I also got to keep the equity at acquisition and thereafter. I get to take advantage of the awesome tax breaks they give investors here in the United States. And my favorite, baby, cash flow. Back to the equity I got to keep. So the best part about this whole deal is I invested zero. I have zero of my own money in it, but I made $60,000 net. That's if I were to sell this property for 1 month's work. $60,000 contributed to my net worth for 1 month's work and $0 invested. Now, if I can find about 10 of these properties per month, I think I'll be doing okay. Now, you might be saying, what's the point to this video? I see that somebody else made money. That's all well and great, but how do I do it? How do I help you? And the point of this video is to inspire you, is to help educate you in a real life example. I am a teacher that has done it, and I'm showing you how it was done. I want to be your inspiration. Guys, if you like this kind of video, please consider liking and subscribing. Let me know in the comments below, could you do this? And thanks for watching.